Hello everyone. The other day I was thinking about ways to tell if a mains device is on or off. Say if you're using like a microcontroller and you want to know whether a soldering iron's on or off, or a lamp or whatever. But yeah, so one way I thought maybe of doing it would be using so this is an RLC circuit. The big gold thing there is just a resistor, capacitor and an inductor, and it's tuned to 50 hertz. So yeah, at the moment I've got this soldering iron on. This is hooked up to an oscilloscope and you can see the output there. So at the moment, for that line, not really picking up anything. Maybe if I zoomed in you would see like there is probably a 50 hertz home in here, but it's nowhere near as strong as like if I place this the inductor against the wire of the soldering iron, which is on. You can see over here it jumps up and you can get a well-defined wave out of it. And then if I move away, gone, back. So and while we're talking, like that's on a 5 millivolt scale. So I was thinking one possible way to do it was, that's your input wave, amplify it, you'll get a bigger wave out, and then once it's bigger, see at the moment it's too small to make it like a peak detector circuit with using a diode and a capacitor, because you need like at least 0.7 volts before the diode will work properly. So you could amplify it like using an op amp or transistor or whatever. Use this peak detector circuit, so we feed this wave into this. So then the output of that would be something like this here in black, kind of a not well pretty much kind of DC, not exactly flat, but that you could easily feed that into the analog channel of a microcontroller. I mean, this circuit is really big at the moment because that's all I had lying around, but I mean that resistor, that's just a big resistor, there's no need for that at all, and the capacitor could be made smaller, and yeah, it'd be a cool little way of telling whether something's on or off. And you could do like data logging, like how many hours a day is the light turned on, or checking whether you've left the oven on, things like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.